For some time now, we have witnessed a lot of wrangles and unrest emanating from the Presiding Bishop's extension of the term with the 2 years, which was procedurally done in the 57th annual conference, which was held at the Methodist Resort and the Conference Center on the 3rd of August 2022. Following the same, I and the Standing Committee have thoughtfully and prayerfully considered the state of the church and have voluntarily made a decision to give way for a special conference which will initiate the process of electing a new presiding bishop for the church within this year. We want to affirm to all our members that we are still willing and pursuing avenues of reconciliation and dialogue with anyone who feels aggrieved. While this is